Whoa, whoa, whoa. Anybody see what's going on?
Every day, my people
Do
die
anybody
across
really
the
see what's
nation.
going on? With all this brutality
Say
of the
every
United
day,
States government
my people dying
doing
for
all
no
type of crazy
reason.
stuff. Going around putting sanction on this small little island. And you know what? The people are going along with the government of the United States. The small island government is going along with the doing of the United States. You know why? Because these leaders are getting paid and they do not want to lose this money. That's why they can buy big fancy homes and buy all these Rolls Royce. So they can use that fund that they're getting from the United States to build all these fancy homes. Common sense is simple. Look at all these leaders of this Caribbean. They have a salary, and that salary doesn't come up to $10 million a month. But some of these leaders have $90 million in their account. Some of them have $70 million in their account. Where do they get this money from? They get it from their business. From their business, what type of business do they have? It's the same in the African country. These leaders have 70, 80, 90, $100 million in their account. They got jet planes. And the people do not have shelter. And then you're going to talk bullshit. Shelter is a must for the people. God doesn't make shelter for the people. Jesus doesn't make shelter. If you look in the story of the Bible, when God made man, He don't make no shelter for them. No shelter He made for them. So you see, we have a problem. And the problem that we have is that everybody talking stories. And nobody cannot solve the problem. Nobody's not confronting this monster which we call United States government. And every one of these countries bow down to the will of the United States. And those that have not bowed down yet, they will bow. Did you hear me? They all will bow down. And that's the way United States do it. Not playing. Not playing, not playing. And that's the way
I said every
it
day,
is.
every day my people dying.
Bowing to the will of the white man.